everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I am doing is I'm grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just using this as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with today is the Baby Got Peach palette from ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like if you are the type of girl that only likes to wear very natural wearable makeup looks, then you definitely want to check out this palette because it just has really soft everyday shades. So the first shade that I went in with is this really light beige color in the shade Darlin', and I just used that as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions just to warm up the crease. And next, to add a little bit more depth, I went in with the shade Centerfold. It's like a really light matte pink shade, and I just put that line a little bit above my actual crease. And I did round it out in the outer corner. And then I went back into that transition shade, and I just went in with a big fluffy blending brush, and I just went in circular motions and back and forth motions over that line to make sure that it's nice and blended. And I chose not to clean up the lid with concealer for this look, so I just wanted to show you guys how I can make that lid look nice and sharp even without adding concealer. So I went in with the shade Get Even, and it's a really beautiful peachy pinky metallic shade, and I just applied that all over the lid, and as you guys can see, it still looks pretty sharp. And then for the center of the lid, I wanted to try out this glitter, and I believe it's a pressed glitter, and it's in the shade Hungry Ghost, and I just applied that all over my lid. I did use the brush just to kind of show you guys where I applied it, but I did use my finger. I feel like this product applies better with your finger, and I feel like it looked a little bit better once I added my falsies. The style that I went in with is Bahama. I'll leave a link in the description box down below, but I did use our lash brand Sofie Bella. If you guys haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it. And then I went back into that shade Centerfold, and I took a small blending brush and I just applied that to my lower lash line, stopping when I get to the middle of my lower lash line, and just mainly focusing that shade on the outer edge. And then I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for all of the love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.